Spectrum RC here, and I got another great unboxing. My lovely wife got me my birthday present slightly early this year, and I was experimenting with 3D printing. I got one of the Ticos, and it didn't really pan out the way I expected it to, so I had to get a proper printer that will do all of the large format printing that I wanted, and I found a good deal on a CR-10 by Creality. I paid about half price almost from GearBest. They had a promotion going. I was a little wary as I've heard people had shipping issues. Mine was here in less than a week. Shipped the DHL and like almost nothing in duties, which was awesome. Okay, I don't even know where to start here. So here's the build plate. I don't want to wreck anything, so I kind of go slow here. It smells like China. Oh, no, don't take that off then. Maybe I opened it upside down. No? Okay. So this is the base and the rails of that. Okay. There we go. Oh my god. So the big difference between my Tico and this printer, beyond the build plate and the heated plate and is it actually uses proper stepper motors, NEMA 17s, which is a big deal. The other one had issues using geared cheapo stepper motors. I believe that's hardware, and that had a lot of issues with it. This is the control box for it. It's all gonna have to get plugged in. Some tape. Oh, that's nice. Cool. Now, pull out the top rack here and the extruder. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not breaking anything. Just getting it out of the box. Disaster. The foam's got a good grip on it. There we go. And, oh, I'm holding it in a terrible way. This ends up getting bolted onto there, and that's my Z-axis there. Very tall, which is awesome. Anyways, that's all for now.